Today, I'll be talking about America's waste and pollution crisis. I want to start off by giving a few crucial facts that will make you understand why I chose this topic and why it is so important. Per year, per one American, we accumulate over 2,555 pounds of trash. Times that by about 327.2 million people. That calculates to this very large number. That's 835 billion plus pounds of trash just by Americans. That's a lot of trash. Plastics cause more than 80% of the negative effects on animals associated with ocean trash. Over 100,000 marine animals die every year from plastic entanglement and ingestion alone. But we'll cover that some more later on. We all want to save the turtles. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is something that we typically don't learn about in school, but it's information that needs to be shared. This mess was first founded by Charles Moore while he was on a sailing voyage. This patch is a large sum of plastics, fishing lines, and other debris that is hundreds of miles in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. This is a major contributor to early death of marine life. But the Great Pacific Patch is sadly not the only patch throughout the Pacific Ocean. Next, I'd like to talk about the pollution that our waste causes, along with the effects it has on our planet, and why we need to start doing our part to keep this planet alive and thriving for generations to come. There are obviously physical problems associated with pollution on Earth, but there are also types of pollution that most of the time we cannot see. Power plants, industrial facilities, and vehicles are a large part of this issue. The atmosphere can only handle so much. I'm going to show a quick 45-second clip on air pollution to give a better visual of what happens to our air when we pollute it with chemicals.
Air pollution consists of chemicals or particles in the atmosphere that pose serious health and environmental threats. But what causes air pollution, and what does it mean for our planet? Some air pollution comes from natural sources like volcanic eruptions, wildfires, or allergens. But most air pollution results from human activities such as energy use and agriculture. There are different types of human-made air pollution. When we burn fossil fuels to produce energy, they release greenhouse gases into the air. These emissions, such as carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and fluorinated gases, trap heat from the sun in Earth's atmosphere, leading to a rise in global temperatures.
Now that you have some more information on what we as humans do to trash this planet, let's look at what our planet will look like in the future if we keep polluting it the way we are now. Looking ahead, our planet does not look good. Basically, if we don't kill pollution, pollution will kill us. Global warming is a literal hot issue right now. When we burn fossil fuels for energy, it releases carbon dioxide toxins into the Earth's atmosphere. Rising levels of carbon dioxide increase the air's temperature. With the Earth increasing in temperature, soon it will not be habitable for humans. This chart from NASA shows a staggering increase of temperature on our planet. In present-day 2019, a lot of scientists are aware that waste is a large contributor to global warming and other various topics concerning the well-being of our planet. A lot is being done to try and reverse the effects, although we are very deep. The top 5 polluting areas around the globe are China at 30% of all pollution, United States at 15%, India at 7%, Russia at 5%, and Japan at 4%. The U.S. has tried to do their part in eliminating waste on our planet. The Clean Air Act is a huge part of our help at clean air. It calls for state, local, federal, and tribal governments to implement the act in a partnership to reduce pollution. So far, it has helped cut ground-level ozone by more than 25% since 1980, reduced mercury emissions by 45% since 1990, and reduced the lead content in gasoline, which has cut lead air pollution by 92% since 1980. China, being well known for horrible air quality, is finally stepping up their game. China prohibited new coal-fired power plants in the country's most polluted regions, including the Beijing area. The Ministry of Environmental Protection released a 143-page battle plan last summer that included removing the coal boilers from many homes and businesses used for winter heating. Here are some things that you can do yourself to keep our planet in better shape. These seem like silly things to practice, but very small steps count in the bigger picture. Reduce the use of vehicles. Clean your pet's waste up. Reduce the use of plastic straws. Buying a metal straw that can be reused is becoming very common. Cut all plastic, especially pop can plastic. It can get wrapped around animals. Take shorter showers to conserve water. Take public transportation and buy water-based paints. Only turn on the washer or dishwasher when they are completely full. Make sure to work on your car on a surface which chemicals can't seep into the ground. And most importantly, reduce, reuse, recycle. Thank you.